Hi guys, it's 8 in the evening and I wanted to tell you something about what I did today. So I went about an hour and a half to the lake and back. I wanted to go bouldering, but when I came back from my walk, the parking lot was half full, which means basically all those people are inside the gym, and I like it more before noon, not directly in the morning, but before noon, so that I can eat afterwards. So I will go tomorrow, but I will put an alarm for 10:30, so that I go in time to the gym. Do I want to walk before that? Because after bouldering I want to shower, but I think it's too much because I have a lot to do. This is today, and I still have to journal, which at the moment I'm fine. So I just write down I'm okay, and that's all of journaling, because I really don't have to journal a lot when I'm fine. And I have to read. I'm reading Emotional Eating, and also what is the other book called? I haven't begun so far. The Freelancer's Bible. Yeah. I read it together with my son Sasha, so that we can talk about it. I still have to meditate. I always do that in the evenings. It's more listening to prayers and trying to concentrate and focus on the prayer. And I have to upload a short for 365 steps in German. I wanted to edit No Excuses in English. I can still do that. It's 8. And I have to calculate my new budget. It's awful. It's awful. I won't have enough money. But I have to tell you that tomorrow, because that will be a longer video. So, yeah, in Instagram I did. Yeah, I did Instagram. Yeah, that's done. And in journaling I will only write I'm okay, then it's done. So I will write down I'm okay instantly. And this is the YouTube short for Park It Where You Love It. I can make that yellow as well. So the budget and polyglot bilingual, no excuses. And reading and meditation. That's all. No, I need 365 steps short. Yeah, okay. I will go now. See you soon. See you tomorrow. Bye.